Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're part of an SEO team, agency, or you're a freelancer looking for an affordable way to access premium SEO tools, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to get access to Ahrefs through Supreme SEO, a platform that offers a wide range of group buy SEO tools at budget-friendly prices. Let's get started. First, visit supremeseo.com and create your account. Simply enter your name, email address, choose a secure password, and click on Register. After registering, check your inbox. You'll receive a verification email from Supreme SEO within a few moments. Open the email and click on the Verify Email Address button to activate your account. Once that's done, you're ready to log in. After logging in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. From here, you can browse the available SEO tools and purchase the one you need. Supreme SEO offers a variety of popular group buy SEO tools used by digital marketers, SEO professionals, agencies, and content creators. You'll find tools for keyword research, backlink analysis, competitor research, content optimization, rank tracking, and much more. For this tutorial, I'm purchasing Ahrefs, one of the most popular SEO platforms for keyword research, backlink analysis, competitor analysis, and site audits. It's an essential tool for anyone serious about growing organic traffic. Click on the Ahrefs plan and proceed to checkout. Supreme SEO supports multiple payment methods. In this example, I'm paying with PayPal, but you can also use Stripe, credit cards, UPI, Paytm, and other available payment options depending on your location. Complete your payment and wait a few seconds for the transaction to be processed. Once it's successful, your subscription will be activated automatically. You can now head over to the Active Subscription section where you'll see your Ahrefs subscription listed and ready to use. Simply click on Site Explorer or launch Ahrefs directly from your dashboard, and you'll have access to the tool. You can start analyzing websites, researching keywords, checking backlinks, and exploring competitors right away. And that's how you can access Ahrefs Group Buy tools for your SEO team using Supreme SEO. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.